everyone, I'm the Chinese teacher Heidi and welcome to Chinese in 12 weeks. Today we are going to learn the opposite words part 4. The first word we're having is 买. 买. 买 means to buy. 买菜. 买菜 means to buy food, to buy the vegetables. 买菜. 买东西. 买东西 it means to buy things. Buy objects means go shopping. 买东西，我要去买东西。我要去买东西 means I'm going shopping. Second word, 卖。卖 means to sell. 卖书。卖书 means to sell the books. 卖衣服。卖衣服 to sell the clothes. 他是一个卖衣服的。他是一个卖衣服的。He is a person selling clothes. 买 means to buy. 卖 means to sell. 买 and 卖 they have same sound but different tone. Be careful with that. Put 买 and 卖 together, buy and sell together, it means doing business. It means doing trading. 买卖，买卖。做这个买卖很赚钱。做这个买卖很赚钱。做这个买卖很赚钱。Do this business is really money making. Thanks for watching. Please like the video if you enjoyed it, and I will see you guys next time for more opposite words. Bye!